As a country in the path of typhoons and in the Pacific Rim of Fire, we must be prepared as the latest technology permits to anticipate natural calamities when that is possible, to extend immediate and effective relief when it is not. The mapping of flood and landslide-prone areas is almost complete. Early warning forecasting and monitoring systems have been improved with weather tracking facilities in Subic, Tagaytay, Mactan, Mindanao, Pampanga. We have worked on flood control infrastructure like those for Pinatubo, Agno, Lawag, and Abukay, which will pump the runoff waters from Quezon City and Tondo, flooding Sampaloc. This will help relieve hundreds of hectares in this old city of its age-old woe. Patuloy naman yung Kamanava, dagdag sa Pinatubo, Iloilo, Pasig Marikina, Bicol River Basin at mga river basin ng Mindanao.